and welcome back to RGTV. Today we're going to do a homemade pizza sauce. So we're going to can this. So this is a bulk recipe. We're going to start out with 48 ounces of tomato paste, and I have that in my pot. We're just going to put that on low, and we're going to kind of roast that until that changes color to a darker red. Also, I have about 2 tablespoons of garlic, fresh garlic minced, and we're just going to roast that because we're canning this. We are not going to put any oil in that pan. We're just going to dry roast that. And then we're going to come back. So after about 20 minutes or so, you're going to get it much deeper, darker red color. And it may not be picking up on camera, but we're going to go ahead and bring the temperature down to low. And then we're going to add our roasted garlic. And we're just going to throw that in. Sorry. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and get a whisk, and we're going to continue to add our other. Okay, so we have our tomato paste and our roasted garlic. We're going to add 6 cups of very hot water. And you basically want to keep this on the stove on low as you're adding all your ingredients. Then we are going to add 1/2 cup of honey. Okay. And we're going to go ahead and combine this. And then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon canning salt, 2 teaspoons, we're going to just dump that in. And then we're going to add 2 teaspoons of oregano, 2 teaspoons of basil, 2 teaspoons of marjoram, and 2 teaspoons of black pepper. And then you're going to cook this, you're just going to combine this with a whisk and simmer this on low for about 15 or 20 minutes. Okay, so we're going to simmer this on low for 20 minutes and let the flavors combine. We're going to get our jars and our water bath can. Okay, so I have my hot 1/2 pint jar, and I've added 1.5 teaspoons of lemon juice. Now we're just going to fill up our jar. And I have to tell you guys, this has been just kind of sitting all day, and it just smells wonderful. We're going to go about 1 inch from the top. We're going to debubble that. And I'm just going to take just a touch of that out. Okay, and then vinegar on our rim. A hot lid. And a ring. This really is simple, it's easy, just a few ingredients, and again, you can eliminate a jar, a packet, whatever you're using from your pantry. I'm going to put these in the canner. We're going to water bath these for 45 minutes for 1/2 pints. Okay guys, so they processed for 45 minutes. We did do 2 sessions, so we're just going to wait for those to cool, and then we're going to remove the rest of the rings, clean them, label them, and put them away. Very simple and easy to do. That recipe actually would have made 6 pints, or as we did it today, we did 12 1/2 pints. Definitely give it a try. It's some wonderful sauce. Let me know down below if you tried it and what you thought of it. As always, guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share me. and we'll see you next time. Thanks so much for watching.